Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Afia Farooq from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Welcome students. Today we are going to start division. Division. Division means sharing equally. The sign of division is, this is the sign of division. Remember kids, division is repeated subtraction and the opposite of multiplication. Division using the number line. Let's learn how to divide 20 by 4 using number line. Look kids, a bunny wants to go back from 20 to 0 by jumping off equal distance of length 4 because 4 is a divisor. So that's why bunny will jump on the fourth number each time. Let's count how many jumps will bunny make to reach at number 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So bunny make 5 jumps of 4. In other words, we can say that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Division using times table. Look at the pattern kids. As we know that 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. So when 54 is divided by 6, we get 9. Similarly, 9 6 are 54. So when 54 is divided by 9, so we get 6. It means that when we divide the product of two numbers by first number, then we get the second number. Now kids, open your books at page number 81. Question number 1. Complete these using the number line below. First part is 8 divided by 2. As we know that division is repeated subtraction. So bunny will subtract 2 in each step and reach at number 0. So when in first step bunny subtract 2 from 8 and will jump to number 6. Again 2 is subtracted from 6 and bunny will move to number 4. Now subtract 2 from 4 and bunny will jump to number 2. And in last step 2 is subtracted from 2 and bunny jumps at number 0. Thus in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps bunny reaches at 0. Thus when 8 divided by 2 we get 4. Now we use times table to solve part B, that is 27 divided by 3. Kids, remember the table of 3 as we know that 3 nines are 27. So when 27 is divided by 3 we get 9. Part C is 18 divided by 9. Kids, do you remember how many times 9 is 18? Yes, 2 nines are 18. Thus the answer is 2. And in D part, we will divide 12 divided by 3 as 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 4. Long division. Long division. This is the sign of long division. This helps us do sums with big numbers. Let's learn more about division. When we write the questions in a form of long division, then the number 5 outside the Division sign is called divisor. Divisor is the number which divides. The number 15 inside the division sign is called dividend. Dividend is the number to be divided. The number 3 that is written at top of the division sign is called quotient. Quotient is the number which comes out at the end. And when 15 is subtracted from 15, we get 0. 0 is the remainder. Now open your books at page number 85. Long division. Question number 1. Complete these. We will use our tables to complete these questions. First question is 15 divided by 5 is. Remember kids, how many times 5 is 15? Yes, 3 5s are 15. Thus, when 15 is subtracted from 15, we get 0. Thus, our answer is 3. Now, 14 divided by 7 is equal to 7 2s are 14. So, when 14 is subtracted from 14, we get 0. Thus, our answer is 2. Now, we will divide 24 by 6. As we know that 6 4s are 24. So, when 24 is subtracted from 24, we get 0. So, our answer is 4. Words problem, page number 86. Question number 1. Write the division and find the answer. A part is 30 trees are planted in rows of 6. How many rows of trees are planted? First, we will write this question in long division form and divide 30 by 6. So, how many times 6 is 30? Yes, 6 5s are 30. After subtracting, we get 0. Thus, our answer is 5 rows. So, 30 trees will be planted in 5 rows of 6. Now, it's time to your homework assignment. Do page number 81, 85 and 86. Thank you. Stay blessed.